So first question, what is a router and a switch and what is differences between them? So shortly, a router is like the border control of your network. It its function is to connect different networks together. For example, like connect your computer to ISP, and it can help you to figure out the best paths to connect to the network. A switch is an internal network device. Its main function is to a traffic officer inside your network. It connects devices within the same network by MAC address. Uh, it connects devices and makes sure the data only goes where it needs to. Second question, what is MAC address? So every network device has a MAC address. So think of it like a fingerprinter. It's a local. It represents a local network address. It is unique to your device network card, and it switches use it to send data to the right place. Third question: can a device have two same IP address? Nope. A device cannot have the two devices cannot have the same IP address. If two devices in the same network have the same IP, they will clash. So that called IP conflict, and usually neither of them can connect properly. So explain the OSI model of layer 2 and 3. So OSI model have 7 layers. So layer 2 is data link layer. It deals with MAC address and delivers data inside your local address, local network. But layer 3 is network layer. It deals with IP address and moves data between different networks. So layer 2 you can understand as a switch function. It deals with networks. It connects data by different network but via the MAC address. But router is a layer 3 device. It connects your device to ISP. Fifth question, user cannot get IP from DCHP, how to troubleshoot it? So if user cannot get IP from DHCP, how to fix it? So first of all, you need to check your cable, network cable and Wi-Fi, and reset and restart your network adapter. Make sure the DHCP is on or remove any static IPs that are set by mistake. Explain DHCP DORA process. So DORA stands for discover, offer, request, acknowledge. Like for example, my device short of I need an IP, and the server will offer me an IP, and then my device will request it to get that IP, and after server confirms, they will assign an IP to my device. The seventh question: what is DNS role? DNS is your it's like an internet phone book. It's like a translator. It turns the IP address to the domain name. Its main function is to make sure that it can transfer the IP address to human understandable language. For example, like Google's IP address is 8.8.8.8. Only machine can understand this IP address. Human can understand. So, but DNS can translate it to www.google.com. It's human understandable language. So, main function of DNS is translate IP address to human understandable language. But what if the DNS is down? I can still connect by IP, but not by name. Only DNS is on. I can use domain names to Google's.com to connect Google's IP address. Eighth question: static vs dynamic IP. Static IP stays the same. It's a constant IP. It's perfect for a server for all printers because a server and printer have many users. Every time that you connect to server or printer, it's very hard for them if we use the DHCP. So we use the constant static IP address for them. So every time they just need to remember the same IP address and convenient to connect to the server and the printer. Dynamic IP changes almost every time and given by DHCP. That was the most laptop and personal laptop and phone use. Ninth question: how to find the network information and test it. So on Windows, I usually use CMB command. For example, ipconfig -all. It will shows IP, DNS, and DHCP information. And I also use command like ping. I will ping dash not dash ping, for example, like ping dot some www.google.com. It will show the network stability between my laptop network and the Google server. For test the DNS, yeah, I usually use command like ns lookup. It will test if DNS works or not. It will show how the DNS work process. It will figure out and troubleshoot which part has a problem. What is VLAN? A VLAN split a physical network into smaller virtual ones. It split big to more small pieces or parts. It speeds things up by reducing unnecessary traffic and keeps things secure by isolating sensitive areas. It will isolate more sensitive information from other LAN to make sure it's more safer, and it will reduce the traffic of the network. VLAN is more easier for a company to manage the network. 11th question: what is VPN? A VPN is a secret pants to over the network. It will hide your IP. It will nobody can know my original IP if I use VPN. And I will for company the staff if a staff will really work from home, it will connect to the IP address and the connect to the VPN, and the VPN connect to the company's server. It makes more data more safer and more easier for company to control the network.